Hey everyone, welcome to Tutorial Lore. In today's video, I'll show you how to track your sales using Shopify Reports and Analytics. This will help you understand your store's performance and make better business decisions. So, stay till the end and let's get started. Step 1. Access Shopify Reports and Analytics. First, log into your Shopify dashboard. On the left menu, click on Analytics. Here, you'll find an overview of your store's performance, including total sales, customer sessions, and conversion rates. Step 2. Explore the sales reports. Go to Analytics greater than Reports, then select Sales Reports. You'll see breakdowns of sales by date, product, channel, location, and customer type. Use these insights to track which products are performing best. Step 3. Monitor traffic and customer behavior. Click on Live View to see real-time visitors on your store. You can also check sessions by device and location to understand where your traffic is coming from and how customers interact with your store. Step 4. Analyze your conversion funnel. Under Reports, go to Conversion Rate to see how many visitors are adding items to their cart, reaching checkout, and completing purchases. This helps identify areas where customers might be dropping off. Step 5. Use custom reports for better insights. If you're on Shopify Advanced or Plus, you can create custom reports to track profit margins, customer retention, and marketing performance. Go to Reports greater than Create Custom Report to tailor it to your needs. And that's it. By using Shopify's reports and analytics, you can track your sales, improve your marketing, and grow your business. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tutorial Lore for more Shopify tips. See you in the next video.